So I just finished dumping the tanks and we are going to leave Assateague. I have my friend Lisa here with me. Hi. The boys are in my husband's car, which is behind us. We have a good 10-hour drive ahead of us. Let the jogger and doggy go by. Hello. Oh, and they're going that way. All right. We've had a lot of really good horse encounters this week. We were here for 8 nights. Speed bump. We're coming up on one of the wild horses. I think this was this the baby that was put out, or is that the stallion?
That's the stallion.
Okay, Lisa says that's the stallion and she's the expert. She knows all the horses from a distance. I gotta look up close to see if it's a boy or girl. Here is the gate, and you do need a code to enter, but the exit opens automatically, as most do. There's the ranger station. That's where you check in. You can also buy t-shirts and ice and firewood and stickers and other Assateague State Park memorabilia. Oh, they do have someone in here. A lot of times this guard station is empty, but they do charge for public parking, so they might be open because of that. And here are some of the camp hosts who are on horse poop cleanup duty. Duty. Oh, we have some horses on the road. This is the main road out and goes to the bridge. The horses don't usually cross the bridge because I don't know why, maybe because it's so high or steep, but it's very rare that horses cross over and leave the island unless it's part of that pony roundup. Yeah, the horses there are 5 of them. They might be going into the marshes. They like to wade in the marshes and eat the grass. I don't know if you can see it out there, but there's one way out there in the marshes. Bye, horses. Maybe we'll see you next year. Here's the big bridge. And they do have the pedestrian crossing too, which is over there. Assateague Island National Seashore Visitor Center. We were at the state campground rather than the national campground because the national campground has pit toilets and cold water, and the state campground has awesome bathrooms. They're beautiful, and hot water in the showers and the sinks, and it is just so convenient and so comfortable. So now we get out of here. That is not the exit.
Take the next right onto Bridgeville Road, then turn right onto US 113 North. Take the next right onto US 113 North, North DuPont Boulevard. In a quarter mile, merge onto Delaware 1 North. Continue on Delaware 1 North for 46 miles. In half a mile, use the left lane to take exit 165C for I-95 North toward Wilmington, Philadelphia. Use the left lane to take exit 165C. Continue for 3/4 of a mile. Use the left lane to take the I-95 North ramp. Continue on I-95 North for 3 miles. In half a mile, keep right at the fork to continue on I-295 North. Follow signs for New Jersey Turnpike Dill Memorial Bridge. Keep right at the fork to continue on I-295 North. Continue for 6 miles. In 2 miles, take exit 1 for US 13, business toward Wilmington.
I was wondering if that's the cold front coming in or like the fog in the valley.
In a quarter mile, use the left lane to take the US 9 North ramp. Use the left lane to take the US 9 North ramp, then turn left onto US 9 North. Continue on US 9 North for half a mile. At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto West Merritt Boulevard. In a quarter mile, turn right. Take the next right, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
See the gas.
Back there. That's weird.
Yeah.
The boys said they're on a different route.
Okay.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-84. Continue on I-84 for 1 mile.
This is 84 west. Pick it off and turn around. What's that?
In a quarter mile, take exit 44 toward Beacon Fishkill. Take exit 44, then slide left onto the New York 52 business ramp. Slide left onto the New York 52 business ramp, then turn left onto New York 52 west.
Gonna go the other direction on the highway.
Yeah.
I have 0 sense of direction.
Yeah, me too. He used to say, I used to argue with the GPS. I said, well, it didn't look right.
Yeah, it doesn't look right because you don't have any sense of direction.
Yeah. I could actually blame it on MS now.
Don't blame it on age. Although I never had a sense of direction. I have an app that I use when I go foraging. I turn it on when I leave my car, so I know how to get back.
At the light, turn left onto New York 52 west, then turn left onto the I-84 east ramp.
That's the one I want.
Turn left onto the I-84 east ramp, then merge onto I-84 east. Continue on I-84 east for 58 miles.
So it's pretty on the right with the clouds.
Yeah,
Holy cow.
it's like cotton.
Wow. And look, the pizza capital of the United States.
Welcome to Connecticut.
Yeah. Yes, because we had the pizza is in New Haven.
When did that happen? It used to be Hartford Insurance Company.
Yeah. No,
Now it's New Haven.
it's
Pizza
pizza. Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. These pretty reds.
I think those are, I'm not sure if they're maple. Bob and Harry are almost home, 5 minutes. We're gonna take a right.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto US 202 east, East Main Street.
Hey, the creeks are cute.
Yep.
At the light, turn right onto US 202 east, East Main Street.
And have a green light. Nope, not wrong.
Continue on US 202 east for 1 mile.
Yeah, see where the white car is going? We could either go that way or go straight.
Whichever is the main.
Then it would be straight.
Okay.
It's not this way, it's the next one.
Okay. Where the Dollar Tree is. Oh, I see it.
At the light, turn right onto Torringford West Street, then turn left.
Wow, this is the first red light we've hit since
Yep.
getting off the highway. It's like the gods of the traffic lights with us.
Yep.
That was amazing.
And then PJ's is that way.
Okay.
Take the next left, then turn left.
See, I think that
In
that's
300
one-
feet, your destination will be on the left.
Yeah, that is kind of tight. Okay, let's see. Oh,
Your destination is on the left.
that's a good price.
That one is probably your easiest right there.
Yeah. I think. Let's see.
What's he doing? Really?
Yeah. It's okay.
Because Bob does the last one, but he has trouble turning that corner.
Yeah.
And ours isn't as big as yours.
Yeah.